When it comes to kitchen appliances, versatility and efficiency are paramount. This Mueller Toaster Oven with 30-minute timer offers exactly that, transforming your cooking routine with its compact design, multiple cooking functions, and user-friendly features. This review explores the ins and outs of this stainless steel marvel, demonstrating why it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. One of the most appealing aspects of the Mueller Toaster Oven is its ability to maximize space without compromising on capacity. Despite its compact size, this toaster oven can accommodate a 9-inch pizza, 4 slices of bread, 4 pork chops, or a baking pan full of chicken. This makes it perfect for small kitchens, college dorms, or anyone looking to save counter space without sacrificing functionality. Imagine having a single appliance that can handle your breakfast toast, bake a delicious pizza for lunch, and broil chicken for dinner, all while taking up minimal space on your countertop. The Mueller Toaster Oven is equipped with 3 primary cooking functions: bake, broil, and toast. Each function is designed to provide optimal results, whether you're baking cookies, broiling vegetables, or toasting bread. The adjustable temperature knob allows you to set the temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over your cooking. With 3 distinct cooking modes and adjustable settings, this toaster oven is your go-to solution for a wide range of culinary tasks, from simple snacks to elaborate meals. Ease of use is a significant advantage of the Mueller Toaster Oven. The 3 control knobs make it simple to select your desired cooking mode, set the temperature, and adjust the timer. Additionally, the auto shut-off function ensures safety by turning off the oven once the timer runs out, preventing overcooking and reducing the risk of accidents. Simplify your cooking with intuitive controls and built-in safety features, ensuring that your meals are prepared perfectly every time. Cleaning kitchen appliances can be a hassle, but not with the Mueller Toaster Oven. It features a removable crumb tray that catches all the crumbs and debris during cooking. Simply pull out the tray, empty the crumbs, and wipe it clean. The stainless steel housing is also easy to wipe down, maintaining the oven's sleek appearance with minimal effort. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning sessions. The removable crumb tray and easy-to-clean stainless steel surface make maintenance a breeze, keeping your oven looking and performing like new. To enhance its versatility, the Mueller Toaster Oven comes with a comprehensive accessory set, including a backing broiling drip pan and a wire rack. These accessories fit perfectly inside the oven, ensuring that you have the right tools for any cooking task. The included recipe book is a bonus, offering inspiration and guidance for making the most out of your new appliance. Equipped with all the essential accessories and a recipe book, this toaster oven sets you up for culinary success right out of the box. Mueller is renowned for its commitment to quality, and this toaster oven is no exception. The sturdy stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the large, heat-resistant glass window lets you monitor your cooking progress easily. Plus, Mueller's professional customer support is always available to assist with any questions or concerns, ensuring a smooth and satisfying user experience. Investing in a Mueller appliance means you're investing in quality and reliability, backed by exceptional customer support to help you every step of the way. Baking, broiling, and toasting excellence. Bake function. Utilize the bottom heating elements and natural convection for baking and warming foods. Adjust the temperature and time to match your recipe for perfect results. Broil function. Ideal for broiling vegetables, meats, and fish. The top heating elements provide a crisp, brown finish, and the large window allows you to keep an eye on your food. Toast function. Toast 4 pieces of bread simultaneously, or get creative and toast bagels, cookies, and more. The top and bottom heating elements ensure even toasting every time. In conclusion, the Mueller Toaster Oven is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly addition to any kitchen. Its compact design, multiple cooking functions, and ease of use make it a standout appliance for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. Whether you're toasting, baking, or broiling, this toaster oven delivers excellent results, backed by Mueller's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.